The handheld gaming world just leveled up. Meet the MSI Claw 8 AI Plus A2 VM, a futuristic gaming device that's built like a beast but feels like it belongs in your hands. Whether you're a casual player, a pro on the go, or someone just hunting for raw portable performance, this one's going to grab your attention and never let go. First, let's talk power. The Claw 8 AI Plus is powered by the latest Intel Core Ultra 7 Series 2 processor, a chip designed with an all-new architecture that prioritizes efficiency without sacrificing performance. With a boost in CPU and GPU speeds and up to 47 NPU tops for AI acceleration, this isn't just a gaming handheld, it's a serious mini-PC. Add Intel's CSS support and games look cleaner, sharper, and faster than ever before, with intelligent upscaling and smoother frame rates across the board. Now let's dive into the display. MSI nails it with a stunning 8-inch IPS-level panel featuring a 120Hz refresh rate, full HD plus resolution, and a peak brightness of 500 nits. Perfect for gaming indoors or in sunlight. Thanks to VR support and a cinematic 16:10 aspect ratio, gameplay looks fluid, crisp, and immersive from the second you boot up. You get vibrant colors, smooth motion, and responsive touch all packed into a portable frame. And performance? Let's just say it's ready for anything. From AAA gaming to creative workloads, the Claw 8 AI Plus handles it all with ease. It also introduces Cooler Boost Hyperflow, MSI's advanced thermal system that redirects airflow to keep the device cool even during intense gaming sessions. That means fewer frame drops, less thermal throttling, and more consistent performance whether you're playing Fortnite or editing a short video. But what truly sets the Claw 8 apart is its incredible battery life. It houses a massive 80-watt-hour battery unmatched in this form factor. Expect over 4 hours of real gameplay or more than 28 hours of full HD video playback on a single charge. And with fast charging support, you're never waiting long to get back in the game. MSI has clearly prioritized both performance and longevity, and that combination pays off big time. When it comes to design, the Claw stands out. From the ergonomic grip to the Hall effect analog sticks and triggers, this device is engineered for comfort and precision. No drift, no dead zones, just pinpoint control that lasts longer than traditional hardware. And yes, it's stylish too, with customizable RGB lighting around the sticks and ABXY buttons. You can match it with your game theme, music rhythm, or just your mood. Connectivity is next level. You get 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, which means you can plug into external displays, eGPUs, or a full workstation setup. There's also Wi-Fi 7 for blazing fast, ultra-low latency internet, Bluetooth 5.4 for your favorite accessories, a microSD card slot for quick storage expansion, and a fingerprint scanner built right into the power button. It's basically a full PC shrunk down and supercharged. Software-wise, MSI keeps things user-friendly. The Claw comes with Windows 11 Home and the new MSI Center M, a dedicated handheld interface that lets you manage performance, customize lighting, adjust fan speeds, and even switch battery profiles. It's intuitive, fast, and designed with gamers in mind. Whether you're multitasking or locking into a session, it's all within easy reach. And it gets better. The Claw 8 is ready for Copilot plus PC experiences. That means smarter productivity, AI-based assistance, and features like live subtitle translation in over 40 languages. Paired with Microsoft 365 tools, this handheld transforms into a powerful assistant, not just for play, but for work and creativity too. MSI even added exclusive macro buttons. With just one press, you can launch your ultimate move, trigger a preset combo, or start a screen recording. It's little details like this that make the Claw 8 more than just a gaming device. It's a tool built for your lifestyle. Whether you're streaming, editing, or grinding ranked matches, every shortcut counts. The audio experience is solid as well, with dual 2-watt high-res certified speakers delivering immersive sound. Explosions, footsteps, and background music are clear and well-balanced, helping you stay focused and one step ahead of the competition. For a handheld, the Claw's audio setup holds its own impressively well. Let's not forget expandability. MSI offers a full lineup of accessories designed specifically for the Claw, from travel cases and docking stations to screen protectors and custom lanyards. Whether you want to protect it, dock it, or show it off, the ecosystem is here to support your entire experience. And if awards mean anything, the Claw 8 AI plus A2 VM made waves at CES 2025, grabbing multiple Best of CES honors. Tech reviewers praised its combination of performance, battery life, and user-friendly design. Tom's Guide even listed it among the best handhelds of the show. That kind of recognition doesn't come easy, and MSI clearly earned it. In summary, the MSI Claw 8 AI plus A2 VM is not just another handheld. It's the next evolution of mobile gaming. With elite specs, game-ready display, pro-level controls, and true PC versatility, it's everything we've been waiting for. Whether you're gaming on the go, editing on the fly, or just chilling with your favorite show, the Claw does it all. And it does it with power, style, and intelligence.